For this recipe, we're making creme brulee French toast. Super simple and such a fun process to make. Start with cutting circles in regular white bread. Mix an egg yolk and vanilla custard, taking the bread you just cut, dip them into the custard mixture one at a time. Then place the bread on a hot buttered pan and toast both sides until they're nice and crispy. Now it's time to make the caramel. Add sugar to a pan and heat it up until the sugar turns golden brown. Dip the cooked French toast into the caramel, making sure one side is fully covered. And voila, you have delicious creme brulee French toast. Next up, we have strawberry and banana peanut butter French toast sticks. Start by cutting off the ends of a loaf of bread and slicing it down the middle. Then you're going to cut the bread to look like French toast sticks. Try to make the strips as even as possible. Next, we're going to chop up some bananas and then some strawberries and set them aside. Spread some peanut butter on each bread strip evenly and top with strawberries or bananas. Then sandwich them together with another slice of bread. One by one, dip the fruit-filled sandwiches into the French toast mixture. Make sure they're completely covered. Fry these on a pan until they show off a beautiful golden color. And do not forget to sprinkle some sugar cinnamon on top. For this one, we're making Hong Kong French toast. First, get 2 pieces of bread and spread some peanut butter and sprinkle some chopped peanuts on top. If you hate crust, this is the recipe for you because we're gonna cut those things off. Next, we're going to dip these into the French toast mixture and soak them up. Fry these up until they're perfectly crispy. And then look how beautiful this is. You have Hong Kong French toast. First, slice a pocket in each brioche bun and stuff it with a spoonful of Nutella. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, milk, and a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Whisk it up and dunk each bun into the French toast egg mixture, making sure the front and back are completely soaked. Now we're gonna fry up these buns and make sure they look golden brown. And there you go, stuffed brioche French toast. I was just taken to Nutella heaven. We're making croissant bread pudding French toast. Now stay with me, but we're going to blend a croissant and spread it in a baking dish evenly. Now pour your egg and milk mixture, cut up some goat cheese, add some grapes and sprinkle some almonds, and then you're gonna bake this up. Look how beautiful this looks. Pour some honey on top, and now it's time to eat.